In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows error code 0x80070570 McAfee Secure issue. So this should be quick and easy, quick process video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing you need to do is to right-click on your Windows icon, then go to your Task Manager. And then after that, just give it a couple of moments for the Task Manager window to open up for you. And here, just scroll down until you find McAfee. So just scroll down into the letter M. And if you find McAfee here, that means you have it installed. I don't have it, just go ahead, right-click on it, and then click on and test. So do this for all the McAfee programs and all the tasks for them one by one. After that, just click Exit of the Task Manager. If the problem still persists, just go ahead, open up your settings. Now, after you open up your settings, just go ahead, click on Windows Updates. So now, after you have clicked on Windows Updates, click on Check for Updates. And if you have any updates that you need to do, just go ahead, click on them and install them. And then restart your computer for changes to take place. And if the problem still persists, just go ahead, type CMD in your search menu, which is Command Prompt, click on Run as Administrator. And now just give it a moment to open up for you. Then type this command, which is SFC/scan now. And scan now must be written in one word, then hit enter. And the scan should now begin. So after the scan has ended, just go ahead and restart your computer for changes to take place. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.